This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry I've been MIA for a while. Had a lot of things to do on the house. As you know, we're selling our house, looking for another one. Also, we inherited a house in Michigan that we also have to take care of. So we've been doing a lot of that and work and, you know, life in general. But I have not stopped working on the SVJ, and here it is right behind me. And so let's go and take a look at what's been going on in the background and where I'm going from here. So obviously my wonderful Creality printers are just cooking along, making parts, as you can see, and in here making more parts. The things that we've been doing is putting together the underskin of the hood, and over here you can see we actually got the outer skin of the hood all put together and mounted on the car. So you can see that it's, you know, not fitting perfectly, but the underskin's going to give it some structure and hopefully give it the shape that we need. The other big thing is been putting together the rear bumper. So you can see I've kind of mounted up part of the rear bumper here. I've had to take out a lot of the guts of the induction system as well as the exhaust, because the exhaust is going to change. It's going to actually come out of these here, so it's going to basically be a straight pipe from the output of the turbos to this location here. So we've got plenty of room to do that in, as you can see, with all the other induction stuff out. Now the other question is, okay, so you've taken out the intercooler and all of that, what are you going to do? Well, I'm actually going to put in a water-cooled charge cooler. So that's actually going to be going into the induction system. So I got one a long time ago from my '69 Mustang. You can kind of see the radiator for that. And then there's the air charge cooler. So we're going to have to make some bits and pieces and plumbing and whatnot for adapting that to our induction system over here. So that'll be coming forthwith. The other thing too is getting all of the panels lined up and mounted, and so we're going to go ahead and see if we can't fit that guy on. Okay, so there we have it. Basically got that on. There's still a little bit, another level of the bumper that needs to go on, so we've got to finish up the diffuser and some other things. So those are printing right now. But basically the rear end is fini as far as being mounted. And then over here we've got this guy, so the A-pillar and roof structure is in. And then basically I went and fixed some things that were going on with this fender, getting it so that it is exactly like the other side. And so that's basically what we didn't have done today. So yeah, I think things are working out well. So again, sorry for being out of it for a little while, or MIA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to do another one next week, depending upon how things go. So anyway, you know, do all of the algorithm things, like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.